Hi everyone, welcome. It's Designed by Teachers. My name is Jess. Today we're looking at a tutorial of how to upload and take some screenshots of our samples of resources so the teachers and the customers that are looking at our product can see the great awesome ideas that we've got inside and they can have a sneak peek. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull up our document. So if you've made your document, whether it's in Word, Publisher, or whatever software you're using, you need to shrink it so we can see the sample that you would like to do. Now I'm working on a Mac today, but the process is quite similar. So on a PC, you will need to find your snipping tool, which you can find using your Windows menu down the bottom. I'm on my PC, so the shortcut is Command, Shift, and the number 4 by pressing them all at the one time, and I have my little marker that comes up here. Same thing will happen with snipping tools. So what you need to do is find the edge that you would like to start on, click and hold down and highlight down to where you would like to go. We're going for an A4 shape because that's the size of our thumbnail on DBT. We are looking at shrinking those a little bit, but you can make them square for Instagram, you can make them whatever size that you would like. So we're going for the A4 size. Once I release my mouse, this will take the screenshot. And you can hear that, and it's actually popped up over here. So that's ready for me to then upload and use. I have actually got a watermark already inside the program that I'm doing. When you're doing your resources, you won't actually have a big watermark. So what we suggest that you do is that you can use Canva. Okay, so we're going to pop over to Canva. I've already got it up here, ready to go. One size that's really good to use is a Pinterest graphic. That can be used, and ideally it will fit perfect on Pinterest when you're pinning your item. So I suggest that you can use that. You can use A4 if you like. So we're going to go ahead and lock in our Pinterest shape. It's also a smaller graphic, which will be really optimized on the website. What we're going to do is we are going to go to elements and layout. So we would like to use the entire background for our image. You can have a little bit of a color if you like. Completely up to you. If we go to layouts, we need to, elements, we click on frames. So once we click on frames, we can see, once we select one that suits what we want, we can do a whole large one. This might work. This has a bit of a green overlay over them. You can see a few of them have an overlay. You can use it if you like. We find just giving a nice big bright one works, and I'll show you how to do an overlay just using our words. So you can again use the background if you want, or you can widen it to completely eliminate the colour. So we might have a nice little bit of colour here. Okay, put that in there. We've got our sample over here. So what we do is we're going to drag and drop that over to our uploads, and you'll see that that pops up on our upload shortly. Sorry, I clicked that. So what you need to do is you need to drag and drop it for it to appear. Okay, so once that appears in there, it actually already has the word sample. Okay, if we wanted to ignore that that's actually there, if we wanted to use it, what we do is we click on text, click on a big one, and as you can see, I can make it swing on that side and actually type sample myself. Okay, if we want to enlarge that, just use the different functions here and upload that as big as we like, and we can increase that size, and we can actually move that around. So wherever your information is, and you can actually put a couple if you like by using the copy button. So if you want to put one up top, one down the bottom, you can do that as well. That then becomes, once we download it, we can download that and store it over here, and this can become one of our screenshots that we can then upload and be part of our gallery. So that's one way to take a screenshot. Completely the same on a PC using the snipping tool. All we do is the same thing, cut, upload, and then you can add the word sample text over the top, and this protects your work, and we highly encourage you guys to do that. If you have any problems, please contact support@designedbyteachers.com.au and they will get back to you shortly. Have a great day.